We discovered a star that has 7 Earth-sized planets around it, and that is unprecedented. We haven't seen a star that has 7 planets around it yet, and we haven't seen a star that has 7 Earth-sized planets around it yet.
That star is called TRAPPIST-1, about 40 light years away from Earth. It's not only cooler than our Sun, it's also much smaller, the diameter only about 8% of our Sun. Then there are those planets orbiting it. 3 of them potentially have liquid water on the surface.
I think one of the most exciting things about our discovery, not just that we found some planets, but we've potentially found some planets that have the ingredients, the system, the temperature that could potentially support life.
So the star is TRAPPIST-1. The planets are TRAPPIST with letters. The ones in the so-called habitable zone are TRAPPIST-E, F, and G. They were discovered after Burgasser and his colleagues aimed a giant telescope at the star for 20 days.
These dots are what planet was actually in front.
That's when they realized how many TRAPPIST planets there were.
As a planet passes in front of it, it dims it just a little bit, about 1%. As it does that, you are blocking the starlight with the planet.
The planets that could potentially have liquid water and host life are much closer to their star than we are to our Sun. But in celestial terms, it's all relative.
We're a certain distance from the Sun. These planets are much, much closer in. So even though the star is much dimmer, they are much closer in. And as a result, they get basically the same amount of radiation that we get here on Earth from our Sun.
So, apart from the cool factor, the groundbreaking nature of this discovery, I asked Burgasser why us Earthlings should care about some planets and a star that would take 40 years to get to, if you could travel at the speed of light.
Is the life on Earth special and unique, or is it actually quite common in the universe? And I think the exciting thing is that we are now in the era where we are actually making quantitative measurements to answer that question.